Good day, guys. Good day, guys. It's around 11 or nearly 12 noon. I still have a lot of things to do. Woke up around 9. Went to bed really late. So, yeah, I'm just doing some little stuff that I usually do. But, yeah, I just am, I don't know what to say. I'm blank. I'm just have a lot of things to do. Getting a bit stressed. But, yeah, that's life. Anyway, I'm gonna try to do some installations in the car. I'm gonna try to. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Okay, that went haywire. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do some installations in the car and try to put this here as a mount. So I'll have a camera in front of me while I'm driving. It's gonna look like this. So that's gonna be cool. Yeah. So yeah, I'm struggling right now. I'm not in a good place. Yeah, I'm struggling to vlog. I'm struggling to do what I need to do. I have some backlogs that I need to finish that I haven't done yet, and yeah, it's a lot of thing. It feels like I'm carrying this burden. Like I'm not really in a good place. Mental health's not good. Back in the Philippines, we don't care about mental health mostly. Like, yeah, we just like tell people get over it, but no, it's not. Mental health is important. If you're not in a good place, you were not productive, you don't do any good to yourself, your physical health diminishes, and you can't think well. You might as well share it to someone, but as for now, Laura's having her burdens also, and yeah, it's not good to share it with her because she's carrying more burdens than I am, so it's out of the question. But either way, yeah, I have a lot of things to do. I'm trying my best to be in a good state. I'm having, yeah, I really have a lot of things. I don't know how this day is gonna go. I'm just trying to survive and also doing this vlog. It's this awful vlog, but because this is reality and this is what's supposed to. This is my main goal of having this YouTube thing is just to put everything in. I can talk to myself. Technically, I'm talking to myself right now, and makes me aware of where I am and what I'm doing. And yeah, it helps me a lot. So yeah, if you came across this, I just want to say a disclaimer. It might sound weird why I'm talking this way, but yeah, it's we've been out of COVID. The thing is, I'm doing union, and we've been a lot of stress. We're here in Australia, and there's a lot of things to do. Well, even if I'm back in the Philippines, even if I'm home, there's still a lot of stress that a person is gonna encounter, and it depends on how you encounter it and how deep into the shit you are. But I'm just blabbering here, guys. But anyway, if you find this weird, it means that you just came across me on my bad days where I'm not functioning properly. I'm trying to claw myself out of this hole that I'm in, and trying to feel good for myself, or trying to like mend my mental health, because the thing is mental health is so important. And if you just one time I just realized that getting depressed, getting stressed out is real, then you'd know that your mental health is important. Like no matter how healthy your body physically is if you're not healthy mentally, then it's really tough. It's really tough. Okay, I'm just gonna continue to watch Moon Knight just to, I don't know, appease myself or do something. I don't know. I'm calling myself again out of this hole, and hopefully get out of it. Yeah. So it's around 5 p.m. today, and I'm still here stuck. I even slept on this seat earlier, so I think nothing's gonna happen today. Nothing's gonna happen today, so we might move on to the next day, which is tomorrow. See you tomorrow, guys. So unproductive. And also tomorrow I'll be up early. My shoot will be 7 a.m. for a wedding. So I don't know if I can film myself, but I'll try. Yeah, that's it. Today's ended. Nothing happened. Nothing new. I lost more of it. The only thing that's good today is that I got to receive my hard drive for the NAS. So I installed one of the Western Digital 14 terabytes for my NAS downstairs. I received 2. So yeah, basically that's it. The mailman usually comes in and just rings the bell once, and he gives me the ticket so that I can pick it up somewhere. But yeah, that guy's annoying. One time I wasn't able to catch up with him. The next time I caught him, but he was writing the, how do you call that, the note that you can pick it up in the news agency nearby. So that's the only good thing today. But other than that, there's nothing. It's starting to rain also outside. Sucky day. So that was yesterday's sunset. Unfortunately, I didn't put it on the edit because I was lazy, and it wasn't in a car, and it wasn't good. There was nothing for the storyline for it. But yeah, just the intro doesn't really coincide with the story today, but it is what it is. Good day, everyone. Currently editing the video now, and just realized I have this white thing there. It's embarrassing. Still posting a video.